How to fix Epic Games Rocket League not launching. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Epic Games Rocket League not launching. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first step is open up your Epic Games. And after you open up your Epic Games launcher, head over to your library where you have your Rocket League. So after you find your Rocket League, what you'll then need to do is simply tap on these three dots on the Rocket League. And after you do that, there you will see a Manage button. Tap on Manage. And after you tap on Manage, there you should find an option that says Verify. So after you find an option that says Verify, simply verify your Rocket League. After you do that, you can then close this up. After you close this up, what you can then do is you can close your entire Rocket League. And after you close your Rocket League, your Epic launcher, simply locate your Epic launcher's file location. And after you open up the file location, what you'll then need to do is right click on this. And after you right click on this, head over to its properties. And after you're on your properties, what you'll then need to do is head over to its advanced. And after you're on your advanced, make sure that you open it using your administrator properties or your administrator permission. And after you do that, you'll need to run a compatibility troubleshoot. So run this troubleshoot, and after you do that, if there is any problem with your Rocket League, Epic Games launcher, it'll get fixed. And that's how you fix this issue. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.